When you eat a banana, never throw away its peel, because here's what I'm revealing to you today: many gardeners unknowingly throw away a real treasure in the trash. And it is the banana peel that holds a powerful secret for plants. It is full of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, minerals that plants need for healthy roots, strong stems, and abundant flowering. First, dried or fresh banana peels help enrich the soil with nutrients. When they decompose, they release minerals that directly feed the plant and improve the quality of the soil. Second, they are ideal for flowers, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, roses, and even fruit trees. Plants that receive potassium have more fruit and more beautiful colors in bloom. How to use banana peels. You can cut them into small pieces and bury them a few centimeters in the ground around the plant. You can also make banana tea. Soak the peels in water for 48 hours and water the plants with that liquid. If you have compost, add it. They speed up the decomposition process and enrich the compost with potassium. So simple, yet so powerful. With just one banana, you get a natural fertilizer that strengthens the plant's immunity, increases flowering, and enriches the soil without chemicals. If you like this tip, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to share the video on social networks so that other gardeners can discover this secret.